Hello, my friends that I met today and those who I've known forever. I'm doing the notifications that we discussed. So the first thing you have to do on your phone, this is for iPhone, but it's pretty much identical for the Android. Even though I haven't played on the Android, this is a feature that I'm sure all have. So go to General. You're going to go down to where it says Keyboard, and you're going to see Text Replacement. Those are all the ones I already have, right? So try not to look at all of them because some of them might be a little distasteful. So let's say I'm going to add new when you hit the plus on the top right corner. Arribita a la derecha le das el plus. And then the phrase, that's what you're going to write. So what I wanted to write, I'm going to put here FT2. When I type, well, that one's taken already. So let's say 3. Aquí tú tienes que poner algo que tú no va a escribir otra cosa. So you don't want to put a combination of letters here that you would use in another word. So if you put like, let's say, ST, anytime you type something that says ST, it's going to show up. So you don't want to do that. You need combinations of letters that are going to work. Okay. So for instance, I have a Gmail address that's brokerjg@gmail.com. If I want the shortcut for that, I type BG because B and G never come together in any word. So when I type BG, that email address shows up and I hit it. So, okay, so now that's how you figure out the shortcut. Ahí es como tú escoges lo que vas a usar para marcar y memorizar las palabras que vas a poner. So now I go to my notes. Whenever I see someone place a really good set of hashtags, I copy them and put them in my notes. So this is one that's very long, right? You see it? That's very long. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to copy this. Oh. Select all, copy. And then I'm going to go back to my shortcut and that's going to be my phrase. Okay? So I'm going to hit save. And now, if I come here, let's say that this is just so that I can show you. If I type FT3, you see in the middle, boom, it came out. So now I have it twice. That is how you do it. And then in Instagram, I'm not responsible. Oh, there it is. I'm not responsible for anything that shows up. So if I come here to Joaquin Gutierrez Coach, this is the one you guys should be following. And I hit here to add something. Like that picture. I don't know if you guys know, but in the bottom left corner of the picture I'm going to post, you see those two little flechitas? Boom. I hit next, next. And then I would put here FT3 and boom. And I hit OK. And it's there. I already posted this, so I am not going to post this one. All right, that's it. Talk to you guys later.